Meaning of inauthenticity.
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 Inauthenticity. Inauthenticity refers to something that is not genuine or true to its origin. When something is inauthentic, it lacks sincerity or honesty and can come across as artificial or fake. This can apply to people, objects, or even experiences. Inauthenticity can lead to distrust, disappointment, and resentment, especially when it involves deceitful behavior. It can be harmful to relationships and create a sense of disconnection. Therefore, it is important to strive for authenticity in our interactions with others and in the things we do to avoid damaging consequences.